In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw cryptocurrency from Bitget. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to navigate the platform and complete a withdrawal successfully. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Bitget website. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of the exchange, which features various sections for trading, managing your account, and accessing different cryptocurrencies. Next, locate the option labeled Beyond Crypto on the main menu. Clicking this will redirect you to a new section where you can access your profile and account settings. You should see a range of options related to your account displayed on the screen. After that, click on the icon representing your profile, usually found in the top right corner of the interface. This action will open a drop-down menu, providing you with links to various account management options. Now, select the settings option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the settings page where you can adjust your account preferences and security settings. Ensure that you are on the correct settings page before proceeding. Once you're on the settings page, look for the option labeled Dashboard. Clicking on this will navigate you to your account overview where you can view your assets and balances. Confirm that your dashboard is displaying your current holdings. Next, find the Assets section on your dashboard. By clicking on this option, you will access your cryptocurrency balances and transaction options. Ensure that your asset overview is loading properly. Once in the Assets section, locate the Withdraw button. Clicking this will take you to the withdrawal interface, which allows you to begin the process of withdrawing your cryptocurrency. Wait for the new interface to load completely. After that, click on the Withdraw button again within the withdrawal interface. This will prompt you to select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Look for a list of available coins to choose from. Now, click on Select a Coin to open a drop-down menu of available cryptocurrencies. From here, you can choose the specific coin you want to withdraw, such as USDT. Ensure that you have the correct coin selected before proceeding. Next, click on USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies. This action will direct you to the withdrawal option specific to USDT. Make sure that you are on the correct withdrawal page for USDT. After that, click on the Deposit button. This will allow you to enter the details required for your withdrawal, including the recipient's address. Wait for the deposit options to fully load. Now, select recipient, enter the recipient's address. This step is critical as it determines where your funds will be sent. Confirm that you have the correct address before proceeding. Next, click on On-Chain to specify the type of transaction you want to perform. This option is essential for determining how your withdrawal will be processed. Ensure that this option is clearly displayed. After that, click on Select Network to choose the network through which you will withdraw your crypto keys. This step may affect transaction fees and speed, so choose wisely based on your needs. Now click on TRC20 as an example of a withdrawal network. This option will allow you to proceed with the TRC20 network for your transaction. Verify that TRC20 is selected before moving forward. Next, click on the withdrawal address field to enter the address where you wish to send your funds. Double check this address to avoid any mistakes, as transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. After entering the withdrawal address, click on Next to review your withdrawal details. This step is crucial as it allows you to confirm all information before finalizing the transaction. Ensure that all details are correct. Once you have reviewed everything, the system will process your withdrawal request. Depending on network conditions, this may take some time. Make sure to monitor your transaction status until it completes.